Hey, it's Joe with IKnowJAX, and I'm hanging out downtown at the Happy Grilled Cheese restaurant. You didn't know they had one? Yes, the famous Happy Grilled Cheese food truck has a restaurant as well. And I'm checking out some of their best food. These are the dishes you have to try. The Fancy Schmancy and the Daddy of the Mac. So Anthony, tell me how you got started with Happy Grilled Cheese.
The Happy Grilled Cheese started as a food truck concept. When I was trying to basically leave my corporate job, I was sitting there writing menus and kind of concepts for food trucks. I kind of noticed nationwide that the food truck thing was taking off about 5 years ago, and the Jacksonville laws were changing. So I was ready, as soon as they became legal, I kind of had a grilled cheese concept ready for a food truck, and then it just kind of went from there.
Why grilled cheese?
Just a universal appeal, to be honest. I just figured something you could eat morning, noon, and night, and it would appeal to someone from 9 years of age to 90. Everyone likes a grilled cheese. So we do serve a basic grilled cheese, just your classic, and then we all put a whole bunch of crazy ingredients in there from barbecued pulled pork, mac and cheese, any kind of meats or veggies you can think of. One of our biggest sellers is one called the Daddy of the Mac. That's one that starts off with our 4-cheese blend, and then it's got homemade mac and cheese, pulled pork, and sauteed onions all inside the grilled cheese. Another one we're going to show you today actually is one called the Fancy Schmancy. It's one that's got mozzarella cheese, goat cheese, bacon, sun-dried tomato, arugula, red onion, and a balsamic glaze. So that's kind of one that's a real popular one as well. We actually were doing a wedding a week before a big food truck rally. So we kind of needed a signature sandwich for the wedding party, because they kind of gave us a couple ingredient lists that they like. They like goat cheese and sun-dried tomato, so they asked us to do a sandwich with that. And then we also needed to enter a best sandwich for the competition the next week, so we figured that would be a good way to use those ingredients. And the last name of the wedding party happened to be Yancey, Y-A-N-C-Y, and entered it into the food truck championship here in Jacksonville, and we won best sandwich with it, and we named it the Fancy Schmancy and put it on the menu. Yeah, I mean, we even do a fun dessert melt that's served on a sweetbread. So we take a cinnamon sweetbread, toast it up real good, and we put marshmallow fluff, Ghirardelli chocolate sauce, milk chocolate crumbles, and also graham crackers in it. So it kind of tastes like a melted s'more.
Talk to me about something new for you guys here in the restaurant, salads, right?
Yeah, salads. So it doesn't have to be a cheat day anymore to eat at the Happy Grilled Cheese. You can eat here, without guilt. You can get, grilled cheese once a week, salads a couple times a week, and not break the diet at all. From here, I'd like to add, another food truck to the mix, just because that's obviously our customers on the food truck side of things in Jacksonville are great. I mean, they support the trucks. I want the next one to be more in a residential spot with full service, seating, got a waitress, and an accompanying cocktail menu with maybe some live entertainment. So I think that's my next step, go more residential, away from downtown, residential spot, and make it a party, a big grilled cheese party.
So besides the Fancy Schmancy and the Daddy of the Mac, they also have salads and dessert sandwiches like the s'more sandwich. I'll see you guys at the Happy Grilled Cheese.
Say cheese!